Hello everyone, I'm now at the Frog Mall of Singapore. No kidding, this is the mall with the most frogs in Singapore. It's a Beauty World Plaza and now at the rooftop open dining hawker center right here. So let's explore. Wow, there's a Korean school nearby, so lots of Korean stuff here, Korean pub and lots of hawker food. That's our second floor, man. I see many customers buying from the Shiok Hokkien Mee. There's also wonton mee and fish soup as well, mutton soup right here. Wow, look at fresh bee hoon. Legendary old school steam bamboo bee hoon. I suppose this bridge go to the Bukit Timah, the forested area. And there's also expressway, the PIE, go to Changi Airport. That way. And look at the car park, it's just so trendy, right? I suppose this bridge go to the Bukit Timah, the forested area. And there's also expressway, the PIE, go to Changi Airport. That way. And look at the car park, it's just so trendy, right? There's even a very tall structure. And over here you have some mama shop, departmental store, they call Lucky. I think uncle and auntie will like it. They come and buy some stuff for the kids. Bingo Lotto. And that toy over there, the fishing game. Alright, let's explore the lower level 3. There's some massage chair here, some education center for Aspire, Hub and the Art Philo. But surprisingly this, $4. In other malls it's like $2. And there are some men's coats. Wow. Quite stylish. All these, lots of uncle shirts here. And there's a mama shop selling Indonesian products. Wow. The Indo bean, right? The Maggi mee is not bad. Can try it. Indo bean right over there. And it seems that I'm the only customer. This side will be like more of the education center. Can you find the surface area and volume of the objects? Wow, Kyunghee University Taekwondo. Right here. Very colorful. Congratulations, Master Eom. I like that. I like the colorful Taekwondo mascots. At level 2 now, there's a nice shop called Royal Reflexology. They are giving away like promotion 60 minutes per 30 minutes, 58. 2 hours morning version only 80. Nippon Paint is here. Some other shop. Oh, I know there's the 按摩脚底永康. And look at this. They're really nice, right? How the CNY decorations. Deep tissue massage center. And there's a serious big. It's a boss, very serious person. I mean that. The name is Cyrus or serious. Then we have some nice luggage here. So many handbag and luggage. And Virgil Taylor. So this CD shop, they convert your CD collection to many formats, WAV and MP3 for digital playback, and they sell different kinds of animals figurines here. A frog, you like frog here. How many frogs we seen today? There's a family of frogs, man. That's a snail. Interesting. So kids just finished their enrichment lessons. And in front there's a cool barber shop. U Style and a Thai boat noodle restaurant. Wow, at the level 1, there's lots of shops. Haircut once again is $7. I think it's cheaper in Singapore so far. You can even alter your clothes here. There's a nice shop, red color one. I think it's from Taiwan. Authentic Taiwan. So some Taiwan food here. 雪花饼 cranberry marshmallow biscuits. Oh. There is a books here, man. 3 for $10. The Johnny stuff. TCN shop. And there's a very old looking Bukit Timah Nam Seng dental surgery. And this one they sell the wedding gift stuff. So level 1 now there are some China restaurants and there are some Cantonese kampong chicken. I think most of them are like from China. So what do you guys think of this old school mall? Interesting, right? Oh, they even sell books here, no? $1. And a $7 haircut. And what is it? 招财进宝. Oh, it's a feng shui company. But it's closed now. You can change your name. Name your kid. A name for your kid. And then see your feng shui for the year. New style hair and beauty. Because be careful, man. This area, lots of kids finish their school. There's an eye bread. 它有 mochi snowy cake. Oh, this one anti-slip carpets. We'll try to take the lift down to basement, even if it's just one level. Oh, there's a Watson here. And Tibetan healthcare. I smell food, man. Means Cafe. A lot of massage shop here. And there's a 后泰大和. Wow, Grassland Bookstore. There's a boxing gym here. Galaxy Boxing Gym. And what's that after that? For kids, right? This one interesting. 开心就好. When you're happy is good. 吃好喝好身体棒. If you eat and drink well, your body will be healthy. 有钱有闲钱包胖. If you are wealthy and have time, your wallet is bound to be fat. Wow, this shop in front interesting. They have a lot of artifacts, like the smiling Buddha, and the Buddha figurines. 看看有 teapots here. $7 haircut once again, and here he has some kind of wine box. What is a whole gaming set? Joy player. Look at this. $1, $2 items. This is a toy shop, right? The plush toy, $9.90. Oh, there's a drawing here. Academy art for children and adults. Look at the cat. C9 trophies and t-shirts. This one very cute. Or you can replicate your key and repair some car key right here. Golden horse. And guess what? I saw George paper. Funny. I think it's some kind of supermarket. I think it's oh yeah, Samsung. No, this is Giant. The well code is really beautiful, right? And there's a phone number 0955. So overall feel of this mall is like there's lots of old school shops, like the bookstore and some of the clothes we saw earlier. And not only that, right, there's some music CDs. And the open air hawker center is what impressed me the most, because there's some really nice dining experience there, like the Hokkien Mee and some of the Western food. It's over there. So it's a nice visit today. Come here, drop by. It's not too far from Orchard Road. This is Bukit Timah area. You can take a bus from Orchard, come here. I think it's about 20 minutes. Even the Amor come here. So yeah, we're gonna explore more areas more around here. So take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.